How to install a plugin in Moodle. There are two ways to install a plugin, a front-end installation and a back-end installation. Let's go for front-end installation. Visit Moodle official website, download a plugin you wish to install from Moodle plugins page. I wish to install filtered course list block. Read the description before you install a plugin. Make sure you download the right version. Log into Moodle, navigate to Site Administration, click on Plugins, install plugins, upload the plugin file, and install plugin from the zip file. Do continue with the steps. The plugin has installed. If you were not aware of new settings, move on to Save Changes. Navigate to Home page, add a blog, Filtered Course List. You could see the plugin in the blog section. Let us try with backend installation. I'm trying to download Level Up XP block plugin. Read the description before you download the plugin. Make sure you download the right version. Go to the Downloads folder, extract the plugin files. Copy the plugin to Moodle blocks. Refresh the Moodle page, where Moodle will detect new plugins by redirecting to plugin installation page, and do continue with the installation steps. Now the plugin has installed, and the same way, if you were not aware of new settings, skip them and save changes. Navigate to Home page, turn Edit mode, add a block. Select Level Up. If you cannot find the plugin block, go to your course and try to add a block, as this Level Up block plugin is designed for course.